Welcome to Finding Resources in the Library, how to access and use Kovsiecat. To find resources in the library, go to the university's webpage www.ufs.ac.za. Now click on the Library tab. Once you have done this, you may hover over Resources. A drop-down menu will appear. Select Catalogue, Kovsiecat. Once the quick search page loads, you may do a keyword search, an author search, a title search, a subject search, a shelf number search, or an ISBN ISSN search. When doing a keyword search, ensure that the keyword tab is marked. Type your keyword into the search box. Now click on Submit. Your keyword search results for the specific keyword will be displayed. It is important to note the location of the resource. This will indicate in which library the book can be found. If the location stipulates the main library books, it means that the book is in the main Sasol library on the main Bloemfontein campus. You can also find books in the South Campus Library as well as the Kwakwa Library. To find the book on the shelf, you will need the shelf number. Please record the shelf number. You can now go to the applicable library floor and shelf to find the book. The status of the book. This indicates whether the book is on the shelf or if it has been borrowed out of the library. The date also indicates when the book will be returned, if a due date is there. If the status indicates check shelf, you may go to the shelf to retrieve the book. If the student needs a book that has been borrowed out, or if the book is in another UFS library, the student may consult with the library staff on level 3 to place a hold on the book or to request the book from one of the other UFS libraries. If you would like to do another search, you can go back to the top of the page and then click on the drop-down arrow. When doing a title search, choose the title option. Insert the title and notice the location, the shelf number, and the status. If the title does not appear, this means that the library does not have a copy of the book. The same applies when doing an author and shelf number search.